Now, the last question that we're going to do in this video for part one is addressing just the basic idea of drawing a trend line. A lot of people do draw trend lines with the pins, like you see, but the way that I like to draw my trend lines is using bodies. Now, pins show where price reached, but didn't stay. Price wasn't able to stay at that level. It pulled back or pulled down to a different price to close the candle, and that's where the body of the candle closes. The way I got into trading, the logical reasoning that I like to apply to my trading too, told me that we should be drawing from the bodies because that's where price finished. That's the solid level that price is at, not the wicks. So when you go forward, whether you draw them on wicks or on bodies, I'm not here to say which one is right, which one is wrong. I think they both work if you're consistent and the strategy is profitable. But make sure you're consistent. That's the key, is that you don't sometimes draw them on wicks and sometimes draw them on bodies. It's gotta be consistent. So if you're consistent with it, again, either one can work, but the way that I like to do it is 100% of the time I draw my trend lines on bodies, and I need at least 2 reaction points to draw that trend line. If I can't find the 2 reaction points, there's no trend. And even further than that, to give you guys a little bit more detail, I will confirm my structure line, my trend line, on the RSI, meaning if the RSI matches the price action line, then I know it's solid structure to trade off of. But if I can't draw it the same, or maybe there's divergence, one is going one way, one is going the other, price is moving up, the RSI is moving down, then I won't trust that structure. I won't trust that trend line, or I'll trust it as divergence. So using the RSI, even there kind of talking more about the indicators we just spoke about, the RSI is within the TDI, using that for your trend lines will really help you identify solid structure. So I hope